Hi, Grant Garcia, one of the knee and sports surgeons here. Today we're going to show a video testimonial. This is a young patient, late 30s, comes in with a pretty significant knee issue. Her patella had previously outside facility had a MACI done. She came to me for potential revision cartilage options. The problem is when you get to a situation when you're, maybe the whole kneecap's involved, and you start getting the trochlea, which is the groove too, it can be kind of difficult. And we have different options. But again, my focus when you come in the office with me is I'm going to give you a number of options. We can do all of them, and then you're going to make the decision that works best for you, and then I will give you the data on each. So a lot of times people choose cartilage procedures and they want to go the extra mile, knowing maybe there's a little bit less chance of success. And there's other options which she chose, which is patellofemoral replacement. She had gone through a lot. She's got kids. She's a very active mom. She's doing a lot of things. And really it was just too much for her to kind of go after another revision. So we talked about the patellofemoral replacement, which is an excellent option. And we've seen really good results in it. So you can see her result. And finally, after multiple years of pain, she can go back to the things she loves. And now she's finally smiling. So enjoy.
I saw Dr. Garcia a year ago with a failed MACI transplant from another provider and was recommended to see him to see what our options were moving forward, whether it was another MACI transplant or a partial patellofemoral replacement. I came in with a lot of pain and extension and could not run, couldn't do a lot of weightlifting, had a hard time going up and down the stairs, getting in and out of the bathtub, playing with my kids. We weren't doing long walks or activities, and when I saw Dr. Garcia, he gave me an option of transplant again and doing the MACI, or doing nothing, or having a patellofemoral replacement. He took into account my lifestyle, my hopes, how long I had already been in recovery from the failed transplant, and we came up with a plan together that has been amazing, and I've been rocking. I went ahead and had a patellofemoral replacement in November of 2023 and started physical therapy almost immediately, twice a week. And within 6 weeks was already ready to be released to the gym with activity. Knowing that I wasn't doing damage to my knee, knowing that we had range of motion and lack of pain with certain movement, I was really able to start doing physical therapy twice a week and go to the gym 3 or 4 days a week. It was a remarkable recovery, and I can kick a soccer ball with my kids, I can ride a bicycle, I can go for small jogs, I can do yard work and push wheelbarrows, I can leg press 390 pounds. I am so thrilled, and I do that and have those moments of energy bursts or exercise, and I don't have the pain after the activity, which has been life-changing.
Would you recommend this to somebody that needed it?
100%. And I so appreciate Dr. Garcia's approach, that it is my decision with all of the information that he has to provide. And working together with your physician allows you to make a choice and stick with it and know that it wasn't forced down you, and the hopelessness goes away when you can work together with your physician.